so wonderful and nice to have an outlet that is just yours, that is just something outside of motherhood. Even if it's just a fitness goal, like you're just like, want to go for a walk for 10 minutes every single day, just something that can get your brain shifted in a different direction. I feel like then in turn, you show up as a better mom when you're actually pursuing something that fills you up and fills your cup. Because as moms, we're constantly giving, and filling everybody else's cup until it's full, until ours is depleted, excuse me. And sometimes I feel like the tent pole, I'll tell my husband this, I feel like the tent pole in a tent. And if I move and leave the tent, everything else is going to collapse, right? But sometimes we have to switch out who's holding up the tent pole. And so we can leave the tent and go explore nature and do our thing and be filled and then come back inside the tent, you know? So sometimes I
Absolutely.
feel like that tent pole, but being able to have my goals and my dreams, working on those, I feel like it fills me up. So then when I am home, when I am mothering, I felt show up as a better mom.